Okay, so I didn't use grommets on the bag that I showed in this tutorial video, but I am going to show how to add those on. This was a slightly older version of the strap anchor piece, so it doesn't quite look the same, but it's still the same concept. So I already did this side, and I'm going to show how to do this side. So I transfer the mark from the pattern piece, and then I'm just going to hole punch that. This is just the way I do it. You don't have to do it this way. Just hole punch it. Okay. And then I take the grommet. And then what I try to do, if I can, depending on the material, is I try to like push it down to make an indent of where the opening needs to be. Yeah, you can kind of see it. And then I will use some embroidery. I think these are applique scissors. I'm just going to cut around the indent. Okay. And then I'm going to check and see that it fits. I don't have too much overhang. And then you need the other side. I got two there. See, I'm going to trim that down a little bit because it's a little too small of a hole. Just take off a little at a time. And then you can also add some fabric check, fray check, or fabric glue if you'd like. Up to you. Okay, get the back on there. And then I've got this wonderful table press that I got for Christmas. Okay, now we're just gonna press that. And there we go. Now we can make a strap with the swivel clasps, and it will be removable and adjustable.